upon a time there was a brave Muslim leader named Maslama ibn Hisham, R.A. He lived during the early days of Islam. One day the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave Maslama R.A. a secret mission. His job was to go to the city of Mecca, which was controlled by people who were not friendly to Muslims. Maslama R.A. disguised himself as a merchant from a faraway place and entered Mecca quietly. His mission was to find out what the people of Mecca were planning against the Muslims. While in Mecca, Maslama learned that the people of Mecca were planning to attack the Muslims in Medina. This was very important information. In the cover of night, Maslama left Mecca and hurried back to Medina. He shared the important information he had gathered with the Prophet Muhammad. Thanks to Maslama R.A.'s bravery and quick thinking, the Muslims were able to prepare and protect themselves from the attack that was planned by their enemies. Maslama's adventure showed his dedication to Islam and how he was willing to risk everything to protect his fellow Muslims. His story reminds us of the bravery and sacrifices of early Muslim leaders.
For more such Islamic moral waqias and to improve English and knowledge about Islam, don't forget to subscribe my channel and must share it with your friends and near dear one.